You are taking a summer mini-A semester. That means an entire college course compressed into a handful of weeks. The pace is brutal, and the deadlines arrive before you can blink. You could memorize every theory from Freud to Skinner and still fail Psych 1100. Your understanding of human behavior won't save your grade if you trip over the course's strict administrative rules. Professor Francis Migas runs this class with absolute zero tolerance for technical errors. He has outlined exactly how to submit your work, and deviating from those instructions guarantees a zero. Buried in the syllabus are 3 specific procedural landmines. Stepping on any of them will instantly sink your grade, regardless of how well written your assignments are. Surviving this summer session means treating the syllabus instructions with the exact same level of academic rigor as the textbook itself. The first hazard is the 2-step assignment submission process. There are no exceptions to this workflow. Step 1. You have to start and write your paper entirely in Google Docs. Then, you share that document directly with the professor's email, making sure you specifically grant editor permissions. The reason is simple. Professor Migas uses Google's native version history to verify that you actually wrote the document from scratch, keystroke by keystroke. Step 2. Once you finish writing, you download that exact Google file strictly in the Microsoft Word .docx format. Finally, you upload that specific file into the Canvas assignment portal. This step runs your paper through the university's official plagiarism scanner. If you draft your paper in Microsoft Word and upload it to Google later, you get a 0. If you upload a PDF or skip the sharing step entirely, you get a 0. The technical format you use to submit your work is just as legally binding as the essay content when it comes to proving you didn't cheat. The second hazard involves your 24/7 digital teaching assistant, an AI named Luke. Luke is built into the course and operates in 4 highly specialized modes. But here is the trap. Only one of those modes, Luke Writing Coach, is legally permitted for use on your written assignments to help with outlining and formatting. If you use the Writing Coach, you must document it. You have to generate a shared link to your specific ChatGPT log and paste it directly onto your references cage. If you write the entire paper yourself without any help from Luke, you must explicitly type the phrase "No AI used" at the bottom of your document. Failing to provide that exact chat link, or using an unauthorized model like standard ChatGPT or Claude, triggers an automatic academic dishonesty violation. Modern college courses don't require you to avoid AI completely. They require total transparency about how you use it. The final hazard is the course's late penalty policy, and it is aggressive. This chart shows how fast an A+ disappears. For every single day an assignment is late, the system automatically deducts 10% of your overall grade. In a standard semester, a few days late might be recoverable. In a compressed mini-A summer term, falling 1 week behind is mathematically equivalent to losing an entire month of normal coursework. Broken printers, sudden internet outages, or forgetting to hit save will not buy you extra time. The syllabus explicitly states that personal technical issues are not valid excuses for an extension. On this timeline, punctuality acts as a hard mathematical cap. Submitting a perfect paper 3 days late means your maximum possible score is a C. Knowing the rules is only half the battle. You have to lock down your workflow right now, in week 1. Test your Google Docs sharing capabilities and your Canvas uploads immediately. Verify that your system actually works before a midnight deadline is staring you in the face. If you are a dual enrollment high school student, pay close attention. Your high school email domain might block outside sharing. If it does, you need to create a personal Google account today to bypass that restriction. Go into the syllabus and bookmark the specific permitted links for Luke right now. This prevents you from accidentally logging into standard ChatGPT and failing an assignment by mistake. Preemptively solving these IT hurdles in week 1 is the best defense mechanism you have to secure a high GPA by the end of the summer.